I'm meteorologist Catherine Maxwell. We've seen some rain pull into the area for us this morning, having a little bit of dry air trying to move in for us. But then by this afternoon and this evening, we'll be tracking some thunderstorm activity. Temperatures for most today will be in the 60s. We're pretty mild right now to start, in the 40s and the 50s. This morning, need to be aware of a little bit of patchy fog, but as we head more into the afternoon and the evening, that's when our thunderstorm activity is going to try to pull in. So now, like I said, we are having a little bit of dry air trying to move into place. This could actually hurt us later on today. If we have some sunshine try to break through during the afternoon hours, that could give a chance to provide even more instability for these thunderstorms. So don't let the sun fool you. Sun actually equals fuel for some thunderstorms. We do have some more moisture that is on the way for us, though. That is all thanks to a cold front. That's going to cross through the area this afternoon. That's what's going to help provide us a little bit of that thunderstorm action. We have this secondary cold front up to our north. That'll cross overnight and into tomorrow morning. That'll actually give us a chance to see a little bit of a wintry mix for Friday morning. So let's get back to today real quick. We do have a chance for some strong to severe storms to move in down to the southeast, mainly along the coast. That's the best chance that they could see some stronger severe storms. Even some tornado threats are possible down there. For us, we're under a slight risk, which is a 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. This means that we are going to see the main threat being damaging winds in the area. Wind gusts could exceed 40 miles per hour. We could see winds come through that could hit 58 miles per hour or higher. Large hail is also a possibility too. We're under the same threshold as wind with a 15% threshold for that. In tornado outlook, this isn't super high, but there is a chance we could see some rotation or a brief spin up try to come through during the afternoon and this evening. So that's a 5% risk over our area. Another thing that we're looking at that could be a threat for us today, where we've already seen some heavy rain. More heavy rain is possible for us, so we could run into a localized flood threat for this afternoon and evening. So we do have a little bit of dry air in place. This model in particular is picking up a little bit of sun that will try to come through. Once again, some sun could be some fuel for some of these thunderstorms to become strong or severe. We see that here. That is a possibility. Not everyone's going to see a strong or severe storm today, but this is the time now to be prepared. Better to be safe than sorry. Those are wise words my grandpa used to always say when I was a kid, and that applies for today. So we're still going to see some thunderstorm activity even after sundown. The best timing where we could see a severe storm would be 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. today. Tonight we'll primarily hold on to some rain still, but that instability, it'll be out of here. Second cold front will cross through from the north. That'll allow some colder air in place, and in turn, we'll have a wintry mix for some of the area tomorrow morning. We'll see some rain, mixed with freezing rain, and even some snow. That really shouldn't cause any hazards for our area. It's pretty short-lived. By the afternoon, we'll already be dry, and we'll have some more sunshine come through to close the work week for us. So tomorrow afternoon, should have some sunnier skies in place, should see some calmer conditions. Still a little bit breezy though because of that frontal system, but we shouldn't really have any hazards with the snow, mainly because the ground is just too warm. So if any does stick, it'll be very little at all. Really shouldn't cause any hazards for traveling. Today though is that active weather day. Some strong to severe storms are possible. Once again, main threats will be damaging winds and some hail. Flooding can't be ruled out, and we also have to consider that we could see a possible brief rotation, brief spin up, try to come up too.